Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel that is Stillalearner. So in this video we are going to discuss 3rd class mathematics 6th chapter entire lesson question and answers, means workbook answers. Okay, each and every worksheet we are going to cover here in this video. So guys, if you didn't watch the rest of the lesson, means from chapter 1 to chapter 5 mathematics workbook, please go and watch it. It is on there on my channel. There is a playlist of 5th class maths workbook answers. Okay guys, so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So here in the worksheet number 1 we have given the topic introduction of division. Okay, let's see. First Roman is fill in the boxes with appropriate numbers. Okay guys, here we have given one box which have 4 columns. Okay, so first column is division form, second column is dividend, next column is divisor, and last column is quotient. Okay guys, let's see. So first division form given as 36 divided by 4, which gives the answer 9. So guys, here 36 is the dividend, that's why write down 36 in the dividend column. Then 4 is the divisor, write down 4 in the divisor column. Then 9 is the quotient. Okay guys, write down 9 in quotient. In this way we have to complete this table. Next one is 39 divided by 3, which gives 13. Okay guys, so 39 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor, and 13 is the quotient. Next one, 40 divided by 2 equal to 20. So 40 is dividend, 2 is divisor, and 20 is quotient. Okay guys, of course for all these numbers we'll get the remainder 0. Here we didn't give any remainder column, that's why we are not writing the remainder. Okay, so next number is 66 divided by 6 equal to 11. So 66 is the dividend, 6 is the divisor, and 11 is the quotient. Next one, 45 divided by 9 equal to 5. So 45 is the dividend, 9 is the divisor, and 5 is the quotient. Next one, 64 divided by 8 equal to 8. So 64 is the dividend, 8 is the divisor, and again 8 is the quotient. Understood guys? Let's move on to the second Roman, which is fill in the blanks. Take the help of your teacher to solve the following. Here one table is given. With the help of your particular maths teacher, you have to fill this table. Okay, so here also 4 columns given, same as above. Okay, so but here we have given first dividend, then divisor, then quotient. Okay, after the division form is given, so it's almost same as the above, means first Roman itself. Okay, let's see this guys. So here we have to observe first, then we have to write it down. So here in the first row we have given, already they have given 15 as dividend, 3 as divisor, 5 as quotient. From this we can write the division form as 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. So in the second row we didn't given the dividend and the divisor, only quotient is given and the division form is given. What is the division form here? 24 divided by 2 equal to 12. Okay, by seeing this we can easily write it down what is dividend. So what is dividend here? 24 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, quotient already given 12. Okay, next row, 30 as dividend, 10 as divisor. We didn't give quotient and division form, so we can write it down. So first we'll write the division form. 30 divided by 10, which gives 3. So 3 is the quotient. Write down 3 in the quotient form. Understood guys? In this way you have to observe it. So you have to observe and write it down. So next row we have given dividend is question mark, divisor as 5 given, quotient as 5 given. So by observing the divisor and the quotient, we can write the division form firstly. After that we will write the dividend. Okay, let's see. So let's think clearly guys. By what number we have to divide with 5, we'll get the answer as 5. Of course we have to divide 25 with 5, then only we'll get 5. So 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. Got it guys? So in this way you have to think and write it down. So 25 is the dividend. Next one is So 42 dividend given, divisor and quotient didn't give, but the division form is given as 42 divided by 7 equal to 6. So by observing the division form, we can easily write it down by closing our eyes that 7 is the divisor and 6 is the quotient. Understood, guys? In this way you have to think and write it down. Got it? Okay. So please write it down without any mistakes. Okay guys, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 2. Here the subtopic is repeated subtraction. So repeated subtraction we have to do. Okay, here just see, use repeated subtraction as seen in the example given below to solve the following division problems. One is done for. Here one example is given, 15 divided by 5. So we all know 15 divided by 5 is 3 itself. So we have to do this division form in a repeated subtraction form. I will show you how to do it. So firstly here 15 and 5 is given. So from 15 we have to subtract 5 until we get 0 as the remainder, means 0 as the answer. Let's see, 15 minus 5 is 10. Okay, again 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. So we have to do until we get 0 as the remainder. So here in this process we are just subtracting 5 repeatedly. This is what this topic is all about. Okay, so here next what you have to write it down. Here 5 is subtracted. How many times we have subtracted 5 from 15 so that we will get 0 as the remainder? We have done this repeated subtraction for 3 times. That's why write it down here. 5 is subtracted 3 times. Okay, so 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. Got it, guys? In this way you have to do the rest of the given problems by observing this example. Understood? Got it? Okay, let's see the exercise problems. So here given first one is 32 divided by 8. Means we have to subtract 8 from 32 till we get 0 as remainder. Okay, let's see. 32 minus 8 is 24. 24 minus 8 is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Got it? So how many times we have subtracted 8 in 32? We have subtracted 8 for 4 times. Okay, so the answer is 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. So 4 times we have subtracted 8. That's why 8 is the answer. Sorry, 4 is the answer. If you have doubt, you just check it out in the table. 8 4s 32. So your answer is correct. Okay, in this way you have to cross check also. Okay, let's see the second one, which is 45 divided by 9. So let's do the repeated subtraction. 45 minus 9 is 36. 36 minus 9 is 27. 27 minus 9 is 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So how many times we have subtracted 9 from 45? So we have subtracted it for 5 times. So the answer is 45 divided by 9 equal to 5. Got it, guys? 9 5 is 45. Let's see third one. 49 divided by 7. Let's do the repeated subtraction. 49 minus 7 is equal to 42. 42 minus 7 is 35. 35 minus 7 is 28. 28 minus 7 is 21. 21 minus 7 is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So how many times we have subtracted 7? We have subtracted 7 for 7 times. So we'll get 49. So let's see, write it down. 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7. 7 7 is 49. Let's see fourth one. 30 divided by 6. Okay, 30 minus 6 is 24. 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 0. Sorry, 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So how many times we have subtracted 6? So 5 times we have subtracted. So write it down. 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Okay, 6 5s 30. Got it, guys? I hope you all understood how we have to do this repeated subtraction. Got it? Okay. Let's move to the next worksheet, guys. So worksheet number 3. Here the subtopic is division related facts. Okay, let's see here. In the first one we have given match the following. Let's match this correctly. Okay, so we have to read column A and its matching is there in column B. We have to match it and write it down. Let's see. First one is given. Division means making, distributing equal parts. So write down A beside distributing equal parts. Next one is the number we get after division is quotient. Write down B beside quotient. Okay, next one. The number which remains after division is remainder. Write down C beside remainder. Next one. Division symbol is given is read as divided by. So write down D. Next one, the quotient in 63 divided by 7 equal to 9. Here the quotient is 9. That's why write down F beside 9. Next one, the divisor in 46 divided by 6 equal to 8 is 6. So 6 is the divisor. Write down G beside 6. Okay. Next one. The dividend in 30 divided by 10 equal to 3. So answer is 30. Write down H. Okay. Beside 30 in the column B. Got it guys? Understood? Let's do the second match the following also. So column A and column B given. We have to read column A and do the sum. Then we'll get the answer which is in column B. Then we have to match it correctly. Okay, let's see. First one is 30 divided by 5. So 30 in 5 table is 6. So 5, 6, 30. So 6 is the answer. 6 is there in column B in second one. That's why write it down A beside 6. Okay, second one is 39 divided by 3. So 39 divided by 3 is 13. So write it down B beside 13. Next one, 40 divided by 4 is 10. Write down C beside 10 column. Okay, next one, 52 divided by 2 is 26. Okay, so 2 4, 2 2's 4, 2 6, 12. So 26 is the answer. Write down D beside 26 column. Next one, 72 divided by 2 is 36. 2 3 6. So 2 6 12. So 36 is the answer. Write down E beside 36. Got it guys? Your answer will be C, A, E, B and D. Understood? Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 4. Here the subtopic is multiplication and division facts. Okay, let's see the first one. What is given? Based on the pictures given below, write one division and one multiplication fact. One is done for you. Okay guys, here as example we have given one picture. Okay, so in the first picture we have given 3 boxes. In first box we have 4 dots. In second box also we have 4 dots. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So in the third box we have 8 dots. So by seeing this we can write it as 4 multiplied by 2. So 4 4 in 2 boxes. That's why 4 multiplied by 2 gives 8 dots. Okay, so this is the multiplication form. Now we have to write it down in division form. So if you observe this, in the first box we have 8 dots. So these 8 dots is by 2, then we'll get 4. So these 8s can be divided in 2 ways, that is 4 plus 4, like that. Okay, so 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Got it guys? So in this way we have to do the given sums. Okay, let's see. First, in first box we have given 8 dots plus again 8 dots given. 8 plus 8 is 16. So we can write these in multiplication form is 8 multiplied by 2. So how many 8 boxes are there? 8 dot boxes, 2 boxes. So 8 multiplied by 2 equal to 16. So the same we have to write it down in division form. So here first box contains 16 dots. These 16 dots, if we divide it by 2, means if we separate these 16 into ways, then we'll get 2 boxes as 8 dots. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. Got it? Let's see the second one, which is So first box contain 9 dots. So we have same 9 dots of two tables. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So 9 multiplied by 2 equal to 18. So in division form, 18 dots is there. If we divided it in two ways, means we'll get the answer as 9. So 19 divided by 2 is 9. Got it? So let's see third one, which is, so here three boxes are given of 6 dots. So 6 3s 18 plus two boxes of 6 dots means 12. 18 plus 12 is 30. Okay, so 30 dots are there. These we can write it in multiplication form as 6 multiplied by 5. How? So 6 dots in each box. So how many boxes are there? So 5 boxes. So 6 multiplied by 5 equal to 30. Got it? Okay. So we will write it down in division form is, so 30 dots are there. So 30 divided by, how it, if it is divided in 6 forms means, so 30 divided by 6 will give 5. So let's see, each box contains 5 dots. Got it? So 30 divided by 6 equal to 5. I hope guys this third one is somewhat tricky. So please, if you didn't understand, just go back a few seconds and just listen it again. You will definitely understood it. Okay guys, I hope this is clear. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5. Here the subtopic is relation between multiplication and division. Okay, in the first Roman we have given fill in the blanks. Okay, one is done for us. So here one picture is given of hut, in which we have given three numbers and two symbols. Okay, so we have to play with this. So firstly we can write it as 9 multiplied by 8 is 72. 9 8 72. So we can write it again as 8 multiplied by 9 is also 72. Then 72 divided by 9 is 8. Like that, 72 divided by 8 is 9. Are you understanding guys? So in the same way we have to do for the rest of the given problems. Okay, let's see. In the next picture, we have given three numbers as 48, 8 and 6. Two symbols are given, multiplication and division. So let's do this. 8, 6, 48. Okay. Next, 6 8s also 48. Next, 48 divided by 6 is 8. Last one, 48 divided by 8 is 6. Understood guys? Let's see the next one, which is third one. So three numbers are given as 56, 8 and 7. Two symbols given, multiplication and division. Let's do this. 8 sevens are 56. Then 7 eights 56. Then 56 divided by 7 is 8. Then 56 divided by 8 is 7. Understood? Let's see the fourth one. Here only two numbers are given as 9 and 7. Third number didn't give, we have to do it. If we multiply 9 sevens, we'll get 63. Okay, now we'll got three numbers. Okay, by using these three numbers and two symbols, that is multiplication symbol and division symbol, we will complete this hut. Okay, let's see. So 9 multiplied by 7 is 63. Then 7 multiplied by 8 is also 63. Then 63 divided by 7 is 9. Then 63 divided by 9 is 7. Understood? Let's move on to the fifth one, which is, here also two numbers given, which is 9 and 6. First we'll do the multiplication. 9 6 for 54. Okay, write down 54. Then we'll play with these three numbers. Okay, let's see. 6 nines 54. Okay, then 9 6 54. Then 54 divided by 9 is 6. Then 54 divided by 6 is 9. Okay. Let's move to the sixth one, which is, here also two numbers given, which is 9 and 5. So first we'll do the multiplication. 9 5 is 45. Now we'll get three numbers. Okay, 9, 5 and 45. We'll do this by using two symbols. Okay, let's see. First one is 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. Then 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. Then 45 divided by 9 is 5. Then 45 divided by 5 is 9. Understood, guys? Okay. So in this way you have to complete these type of exercises. Whether they will give 3 numbers or else sometimes they will give 2 numbers also. Okay. You have to observe and write it down and fill it with correctly. Okay guys, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 6. So here the subtopic is relation between multiplication and division. Okay guys, here we have to show the multiplication and division relation. Okay, let's see. Fill in the blanks given here. One is done for us as example. Let's see. 15 is given. So this 15 can be written as 5 multiplied by 3. So 5, if we multiply 5 and 3 will get 15. So if we divide 15 with 5 will get 3. If we divide 15 with 3 will get 5. Understood? So this is the relation between multiplication and division. Let's complete the rest problems. Okay, as it is as the above problem, means exercise problem. Okay, let's see. So 24 and 4 is given. So what number we have to multiply it with 4 so that we will get 24. So if you multiplied 4 with 6, then we will get 24. So write down 6. 6 4s 24. So if we divide 24 by 4, we will get 6 as answer. If we divide 24 with 6, we will get 4 as answer. Got it? In this way you have to cross check also. Okay, next second one. Here 36 and 0 is given. So we can't divide and multiply with 0. If we divide and multiplied by 0, we will get, if we multiplied by 0, we will get 0 as the answer. If we divide by 0, we will get undefined value. So it's a mistake here guys, that's why please mark it correctly. You have to write it down 9. Okay, so what number we have to multiply with 9 so that we'll get 36. So 4 is the number. 9 4s 36. Okay, write down 4 also. Okay, so let's cross check it. 36 divided by 9 is 4 and 36 divided by 4 is 9. Got it? So our answer is 9 and 4. Got it? So here 0 is given, which is a mistake. So correct it with 9. Understood guys? So sometimes it happened. Okay, it will be a printing mistake. That's why please correct it with 9. Okay, let's move on to the third one, which is 24 and 6 is given. Okay, so by what number we have to multiply with 6 so that we'll get 24. So if you multiply 6 with 4, we'll get 24. 6 4 is 24. Let's cross check it. 64 divided by 4, sorry, 24 divided by 4 is 6 and 24 divided by 6 is 4. So our answer is correct. Let's see the fourth one, which is 36 is given and 9 is given. It is same as it is above. Okay, so 9 4 is 36. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. 36 divided by 9 is 4. Let's see the fifth one, which is 40 and 15 is given. We can't do with these two numbers. So here also mistake is there. Actually in the place of 40 you have to write it down 30. Okay, then only we will get the correct answer. So what number we have to multiply it by 15 so that we will get 30. So multiplied with 2. So 15 2 is 30. So 30 divided by 15 is 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Got it guys? Just correct it by writing 30 instead of 40. Got it guys? Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 7. Here the subtopic is division facts. Okay guys, let's see first one. Write down division facts for the following. One is done for you. Okay, one table is given which is of 3 columns. That first column is multiplication, second column is division form 1, third column is division form 2. Okay, let's see. First, in multiplication, we have given 6 8s 48. So, we can write this multiplication in division form as 48 divided by 6 is 8. Second division form is 48 divided by 8 is 6. So, in this way, we have to complete this table by seeing the multiplication form. So, second one is given as 3 multiplied by 9 is 27. We can write these multiplication form as two division forms, division form 1 and division form 2. So first division form is 27 divided by 3 is 9. Second division form is 27 divided by 9 is 3. Are you getting my point, guys? Okay, so please understand and write it down. Let's see the next one, which is 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. So division form 1 is 40 divided by 8 is 5, and second form is 40 divided by 5 is 8. Okay, next one, 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So we can write it as 21 divided by 3 is 7. Second division form is 21 divided by 7 is 3. Next one, 9 fours 36. So 36 divided by 4 is 9, and 36 divided by 9 is 4. Last one is 8 5s 40 given. Okay, so first division form is 40 divided by 5 is 8. Second division form is 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Understood, guys? It's easy, na? Okay, let's move on to the second Roman, which is fill in the blanks. Okay, let's see this. So first one is 49 divided by 7 is 7 7s 49. So write down 7 in the blank. Next, second one. So 28 divided by 4. So 7 4s 28. Okay, write down 7 again. Third one is 35 divided by 5 is equal to 5 7s 35. So 7, write it down. Fourth one is 60 divided by dash equal to 6. Here what we can do is, we'll just send 6 from right hand side to left hand side. So 60 divided by 6 will be 10. So 10 is the answer. Write down 60 divided by 10 will gives 6. So 10 is our answer, which is right. Like next fifth one, which is 81 divided by dash equal to 9. So here also we'll do the same. 81 divided by 9 will get the answer as 9. So 9 9s 81. So 9 is the correct answer. Next one, 56 divided by dash equal to 11. Actually here also mistake. It is not 56, it's 55. Correct it with 55. So 55 divided by 11 is 5. So if we multiply 11 5s, 55 will get. So 5 is the correct answer. Got it, guys? Please correct it with 55. Okay, next one is dash divided by 7 equal to 4. So here we have to multiply 7 fours 28. So 28 is the answer. So 28 divided by 7 equal to 4 itself. Okay, so 28 is the correct answer. Next one, dash divided by 7 equal to 6. So 7 6 42. Write down 42. So 42 divided by 7 will get 6 is the answer. Okay, next one, dash divided by 8 equal to 8. So 8 8s 64. Write down 64 as the answer. In this way you have to understand and write it down. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 8. Here the subtopic is expanded form of division. Okay, so one is given for us as an example. We have to see this, observe this carefully, and we have to do exactly same for the rest given problems. So see, first one is 66 divided by 3 is given. These we can divide in two ways as 60 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3. So 60 divided by 3 will be 20. 6 divided by 3 will be 2. Then we'll add 20 plus 2, which is 22. Understood now, guys? So in this way we have to do this. Okay, let's see the second one, which is 24 divided by 2 is given. First we'll separate these as 20 divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, so 20 divided by 2 is 10. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then we'll add 10 plus 2, which is 12. So if you do the exact sum for 24 divided by 2, you will get 12 as the answer. So in this way you have to do this. Understood? Let's move on to the third one, which is 36 divided by 3. So these we can write it as 30 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. Then 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 is the answer. If you cross check 36 divided by 3, you will get the answer as 12 itself. Okay, let's see fourth one, which is 48 divided by 4. So we can write it as 40 divided by 4 plus 8 divided by 4. So 40 divided by 4 is 10, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 10 plus 2 is again 12. So 12 is the answer. Let's see the next one, which is 69 divided by 3. So we can write it as 60 divided by 3 and 9 divided by 3. 60 divided by 3 will be 20. 9 divided by 3 will be 3. So 20 plus 3 will be 23. So if you observe for 69 divided by 3, you will get the answer as 23. Okay guys, let's see the last one, which is 77 divided by 7. So we can write it as 70 divided by 7 plus 7 divided by 7. Okay, 70 divided by 7 will give 10. Then 7 divided by 7 will give 1. Then 10 plus 1 equal to 11. So 11 is our answer. If you cross check 77 divided by 7, so 7 1 7 1. So 11 you will get as the answer. So here also 11 is right. So guys, in this way you have to do the sum, then you have to cross check so that whether your answer is correct or not. So I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 9. Here the subtopic is division of 2-digit number by 1-digit number without remainder. So without remainder means we'll get the remainder as 0. Let's see, one example problem is given as 68 is divided by 2. Okay, so if you do the multiplication, if you do the division, we'll get 34 as quotient. Let's have a look deeply. So 2 3's 6. So we'll left with 8. Then 2 4's 8. We'll left with 0 remainder. Then we have to write it down. Dividend, what is given? Dividend is 68. Then divisor is 2. And quotient we'll get is 34. Remainder is 0 itself. So in this way we have to do this. So let's see the second one, which is 75 divided by 3 is given. Let's do this. 3 2 6. 1 will left and 5 will come as it is. Then 15. 3 5 is 15. 0 is the remainder. So dividend will be 75. Divisor will be 3. Quotient will be 25 and remainder is 0. Understood? Let's see the third one, which is 64 is given. Divisor is 4 given. So let's do this. 4 ones 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 4, write it down as it is. Then it will become 24. Then 4 6 24. 0 will be the remainder. Okay. So write down dividend, which is given is 64. 4 is the divisor. And quotient will get is 16 and remainder will be 0. Got it guys? Understood now? Okay, let's move on to the fourth one, which is here given 85 as dividend and 5 as divisor. Let's do this. 5 ones 5. Okay, 8 minus 5 will be 3. 5 will have to write it down as it is. 35 it will be. So 5 sevens is 35. 0 is the remainder. So write it down. Dividend is 85. Divisor is 5. Quotient is 17 and remainder is 0. Next fifth one, 72 dividend given and 6 divisor is given. We'll do the division. 6 1 6. So 1 will left, 2 we have to write it down as this. It will become 12. So 6 2 is 12. 0 is the remainder. Then dividend is 72. Divisor is 6. Quotient is 12 and remainder is 0. Next last one, 84 dividend given and divisor is 7 given. So let's do the division. 7 ones 7. So if you subtract 7 from 8, you will get 1. So write down 4 as it is. Then it will become 14. So 7 twos 14. 0 is the remainder. Okay. So write down dividend is 84. Divisor is 7. Quotient is 12 and remainder is 0. Understood guys? Okay. Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 10. Okay, here the subtopic is division of two numbers by one digit number. Okay, one is given. This is also as it is guys, just before what we did. So here also we have to do the same. Okay, 1 is given, 24 dividend given, 2 is the divisor. Let's do the division. So 2 ones 2. 8 will come down. Okay, so 2 fours 8, 0 is the remainder. Here we have to do only the division. We don't have to write dividend, divisor, remainder, quotient like that. Okay, just do the division. Okay, let's see second one. So 39 dividend is given, 3 is divisor. Let's do the division. 3 ones 3. Okay, so 9 will come as it is. So 3 3 is 9. 0 is the remainder. Next third one. 45 dividend given, 3 divisor is given. So let's do the division. 3 ones 3. Okay. If we subtract 3 from 4, we will left with 1. Okay, 5 will come as it is, it will become 15. So 3 5 is 15. So 0 is the remainder. Got it? Let's see the fourth one, which is 56 dividend is given, 4 is divisor given. Let's do this. 4 ones 4. Okay, 1 will left and 6 will come as it is, it will become 16. So 4 4 16. 0 is the remainder. Next fifth one, 45 divided by 5. So 5 zeros 0. Then 45 will come as it is. Then 5 nines 45. So 0 is the answer. Next one, 65 divided by 5. So 5 ones 5. 1 will left. 5 will come as it is. Then it will become 15. So 5 3 is 15. 0 is the remainder. Got it? Okay. Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 11. So here the subtopic is division of two digit number by one digit number. Okay, so let's see this. First one is given 500 as dividend and 4 as divisor. Let's do this. 4 ones 4. Okay, if you subtract 4 from 5, we'll left with 1. So 0 will come, then it will become 10. So 4 twos 8. Then we left with 2, then again 0 will come downside, it will become 20. So 4 5 is 20, 0 is the remainder. So write down dividend will be 500, divisor will be 4, quotient will get as 125 and remainder is 0. So guys, in this way we have to do this. Again next second one is 600 dividend given, 3 is the divisor. Let's do 3 to 6. Okay, it will become 0. 1 0 will come as it is. Then it will become 3 0 0. Then again 0 will come. Then 3 0 0. So remainder is 0. So dividend is 600. Divisor is 3. Quotient is 200 and remainder is 0. Let's see third one. So 700 is given as dividend. Then 5 as divisor. Let's see. So 5 ones 5. 2 will left, 1 0 will come, then it will become 20. So 5 4 is 20. So 0 will come and again 1 0 will come downside, then it will become 0. 5 0 0, remainder will be 0. So guys, write down dividend is 700, divisor is 5, quotient is 140 and remainder is 0. Understood? Let's see the next one, that is fourth one, which is 606 and 6 as divisor given. Let's see, 6 ones are 6. Okay, it will become 0, 1 0 will come, then 6 0 0, again 0 6 will come downside, then 6 1 6. So 0 is the remainder. Write it down. Dividend is 600, divisor is 6, quotient is 101 and remainder is 0. Okay, next fifth one, 600 given and 7 divisor is given. Let's do this. 7 8s 56. Okay, 4 will left. Will bring down 0. then it will become 40, then 7 5s 35, again 5 will left, which is the remainder. Okay, so write it down. Dividend is 600, divisor is 7, quotient is 85, and remainder is 0. Got it, guys? Here we didn't get a remainder as 0. Okay, let's see. Sixth one, 500 is given as dividend and 9 as divisor. Let's do this. 9 5 is 45. So if we subtract 45 from 50, we'll get 5. Okay, so 0 will come, then it will become 50. Again 9 5 is 45. Again we'll left with 5. So this is the remainder. So write down divided is 500, divisor is 7, quotient is 55, and remainder is 5. Understood, guys? Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 12. So here the subtopic is division of 2-digit number with 1-digit number. Okay, let's see. First one is already given, which is 711. Dividend is given, 6 is divisor. Let's see. 6 1 6, 1 will left, 1 will bring down, then it will become 11, then 6 1 6. Okay, again 5 will left, 1 will bring down, it will become 51, then 6 8 48, 3 will be the remainder which is left. That's why. Okay, let's see the second one, which is 356 divided by 7. So 7 5 is 35, 0 will be left. Okay, so 6 will come downside, then 7 0 0, 6 will be the remainder. Okay, so next one, third one is 463 is given and 8 divisor is given. Let's see. 8 5 is 40. Okay, 6 will left, then 3 will come as it is, then it will become 63. So next 8 sevens is 56. 7 will be left, which is the remainder. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next question, which is question number D. 596 divided by 9. So 9 6 54. 5 will left, again 6 will come downside, then it will become 56. Again 9 6 54, 2 will left. Okay, next one, 6 1 6, dividend is given and 6 is the divisor. Let's do this. 6 1 6, okay, it will become 0, 1 will come downside, 6 0 0, then 16 will be left. So 6 2s 12, 4 is the answer. So 4 is reminded as remainder. Okay, so let's see the next one, which is 743 divided by 5. So 5 ones 5, 2 will left, 4 will come downside, it will become 24. Then 5 4s 20, 4 will left, 3 will come downside, then 43 it will become, then 5 8s 40, 3 will be left as remainder. Next one, 887 divided by 3. So 3 to 6, okay, 2 will left, 8 will come downside, it will become 28. Then 3 9s 27, 1 will left, 7 will come downside, it will become 17. Then 3 5s 15, 2 is the remainder. Next last one, 753 divided by 4. So 4 2s 8, 1 will left, 5 will come downside, it will become 15. Then 4 3s 12, 2 will left, 3 will come downside, it will become 33. Then 4 8s 32, 1 will be remainder. Okay, so in this way you have to do this, guys. Please do it, don't be haste. If you do it falsely without thinking, you may go wrong. Okay, guys. Okay, let's move on to the next Roman, that is next worksheet, that is worksheet number 13. Here the subtopic is division vocabulary. Okay, let's see first what is given. Divide and find the quotient and remainder and write the division vocabulary. One is done for you. So guys, here also we have to do the division form, then we have to write the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So we have done this type of exercise before also. So here also we have to do it. Okay, let's do this, guys. First example problem is 54 divided by 6. So 600, 54 will come, then 6 9s 54, 0 is the remainder. Write down, dividend is 54, divisor is 6, quotient is 9 and remainder is 0. Like that. Second one, 14 divided by 3. So 3 4s 12. We'll get 2 as remainder. Write down, dividend is 14, 3 is the divisor, 4 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Okay, next third one, 28 divided by 4. So 4 sevens 28. We'll get 0 as the remainder. Okay, next write it down. Dividend is 28, divisor is 4, quotient is 7 and remainder is 0. Let's see the fourth one, which is 38 divided by 9. So 9 fours 36. 2 will left as remainder. Okay, then write it down. Dividend is equal to 38. Divisor is 9. Quotient is 4 and remainder is 2. Okay, let's see the fifth one, which is 45 divided by 8. So 8 5 is 40. 5 will left as remainder. Write down. Dividend is 45. Divisor is 8. Quotient is 5 and remainder is 5. Got it? Let's see the sixth one, which is 67 divided by 7. Okay, write down. So 7 9s 63. So we left with 4, which is a remainder. Write down. Dividend is 67, divisor is 7, quotient is 9 and remainder is 4. Next one is 71 divided by 6. So 6 ones 6, 1 will left and again 1 will come downside, then it will become 11. So 6 1 6, 5 is the remainder. Let's write it down. Dividend is 71, divisor is 6, quotient is 11 and remainder is 5. Next one, 85 divided by 8. Let's do this. 8 ones 8. Okay, it will become 0. 5 will come downside. So 8 0 0, 5 is the remainder. Write down. Dividend is 85, divisor is 8, quotient is 10 and remainder is 5. Okay, next last one, 97 divided by 9. So 9 ones 9, 0 it will become, then 7 will come downside, 9 0 0, 7 will be the remainder. Write down. Dividend is 97, divisor is 9, quotient is 10 and remainder is 7. Okay, understood na? Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 14. Here the subtopic is finding odd or even. Okay, let's see. Identify whether the following numbers are even or odd. One is done for you. So we have to find out given number is even or odd. Okay, so let's do this, guys. 156 is given. So to find it even or odd, what we have to do? We have to divide it with 2. Okay, then only we'll understand whether the given number is even or odd. Actually, we can understand by seeing the units digit only. But here we have to do it by division. Then we have to come to know, means then we have to say whether the given number is even or odd. Okay, so we'll divide 156 with 2. So 2 zeros 0, 15 will left, 2 sevens 14, 1 will left, 6 will come, it will become 16, then 2 8 16, 0 is the remainder. If the remainder is 0, if the remainder is 0, then you can say the given number is an even number. Understood? Let's see second one, which is 208 is given. So let's divide it with 2. So 2 ones 2, 2 zeros 0, 2 fours 8. So remainder is 0. That's why 208 is an even number. Next one is 364 given. Let's divide it with 2. So 2 ones 2, 2 8s 16. Then 2 2s 4. We left with 0 as remainder. So therefore the given number 364 is an even number. Okay, let's do the fourth one, which is 441 is given. So divide it with 2. So 2 2s 4, 2 2s 4. So 2 zeros 0, 1 will left as remainder. So therefore 441 is an odd number. Okay guys, I am just dividing it with simply, not with the division form. Okay, so you have to compulsory write the division form. Okay, next number is 513. So let's divide it with 2. So 2 2s 4, 1 will left, then 1 will come downside, it will become 11. So 2 5 is 10, 1 will left, 3 will come downside, it will become 13. 2 6 12, 1 will left as remainder. So therefore 513 is an odd number. Next last one, 637. Let's divide it with 2. So 2 3 6. Okay, then 3 will come downside, then 2 ones 2, 1 will left and 7 will come downside, then 2 8 16, 1 will left as remainder. Therefore 637 is an odd number. Got it, guys? Let's move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 15. Here the subtopic is even and odd numbers. Okay, let's see first Roman. Write the even numbers between 50 to 100. We have to write the even numbers. So we all know even numbers will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 like that. So here we have to write down the even numbers between 50 to 100. So write down the answer as 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96 and 98. These are the even numbers between 50 to 100. Okay, let's see second one, which is write the odd numbers between 100 to 150. We all know the odd numbers will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 like that. So we have to write down the odd numbers between 100 to 150. Let's write it down. So 101, 103, 105, 107, 109, 111, 113, 115, 117, 118, 121, 123, 125, 127, 129, 131, 133, 135, 137, 139, 141, 143, 145, 147 and 149. So these are all the odd numbers between 100 to 150. Understood, guys? Okay, let's see the third Roman, which is classify the following as even and odd numbers. Here some numbers are given. From that we have to pick the correct pick the even numbers and odd numbers separately. Okay, and write it down here. So from the given numbers, even numbers are 604, 500, 610, 876, 374, 600, 700, 810, 674, 766, 100, 210, 610, 610, 180. So these are the even numbers. Let's see the odd numbers, which are 305, 209, 711, 389, 465, 892, 385, 985, 201, 305, 899, 199, 185 and 171. So these are the odd numbers. Understood? Okay, let's move on to the fourth Roman, which is write the next even number for the following numbers. Here some numbers are given. After that we have given one blank. We need to write the next even number. Okay, so 78 is given. Next even number is 80. Next here given 60 as even number. 62 is the next even number. Next 62 is given. Next even number is 64. Next 94 is given. Next even number is 96. Got it? Okay, let's move on to the fifth Roman, which is write the next odd number for the following. So here odd numbers we have to write. So actually odd number is given. We have to write the next odd number to that number. Okay. So first number given is 65. So 65, next odd number will be 67. So second one, here we have given 89 as odd number. Next odd number will be 91. Third one, 71 is given as odd number. So next odd number will be 73. In the fourth one, we have given 83 as odd number. Next odd number will be 85. Understood now, guys? Okay, then let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 16. Here the subtopic is odd and even numbers. Okay, let's see. First problem is given as if 96 balloons are equally distributed among six children, how many balloons will each child get? Okay, let's see here. Some questions are given. How many balloons are equally distributed? So in the question we have given 96 balloons. So write down 96 balloons are equally distributed. Next question is how many children shared the balloons? So answer is how many children shared the balloons? 6 children shared the balloons. Okay. Next third question is which operation should be used to find the number of balloons each will get? So answer is division process we have to use, or else write it down, division operation we have to use to find the number of balloons each will get. Okay, next fourth question, estimate that how many balloons will each child get. If we do the division, we will get as 16 as the answer. So each will get 16 balloons, means 6 children are there. Total balloons are 96. So for each child, 16 balloons will be equally distributed. Okay guys, let's move on to the second question, which is a hotel has 7 rooms of equal capacity. A maximum of 28 persons can stay in the hotel. How many persons can stay in one room? Okay guys, this is the question given. Let's see the answer. Number of rooms in the hotel is 7. Maximum capacity of 7 rooms is 28. Okay. Number of persons can stay in each room is 28 divided by 7. So that equal to 4. So 7 4 is 20. So 4 is the answer. So 4 persons can stay in one room. Got it guys? Okay. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 3, which is there are 54 gulab jamuns in a vessel. These are to be distributed equally among 9 girls. How many gulab jamun should each girl get? Okay, so let's see the answer. Total number of gulab jamuns given in the question is 54. Okay, total number of girls shared is 9. So number of gulab jamun each girl gets is 54 divided by 9. If you do the division, you will get the answer as 6. 9, 6, 54. So each girl will get 6 gulab jamuns equally. Okay, let's move on to the fourth question, which is if 81 kites are equally distributed among 9 children, how many kites will each child get? So the answer is, write it down. Total number of kites given in the question is 81. Write down 81. Then total number of children shared is 9. So number of kites each child get is 81 divided by 9. So answer is 9. 9 9 is 81. So 9 is the answer. So each child will get 9 kites. Understood guys? So in this way you have to solve these type of division problems. Okay. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 17. Here the subtopic is division practicing word problems. Let's see the first question. 5 govas cost is rupees 30. How much does each gova cost? So write down the answer. Cost of 5 govas given is rupees 30. Number of govas equal to, how many govas are there? So 5 govas are there. So cost of 1 gova equal to 30 divided by 5. So if you do the division, you will get 5 6 30. So each gova will cost 6 rupees. Okay. Let's see the second question, which is the cost of 9 mangoes is rupees 45. Find the cost of 1 mango. So write down answer. Cost of 9 mangoes equal to 45. Number of mangoes are 9. So cost of 1 mango is 45 divided by 9. So 9 5 is 45. So each mango is 5 rupees. Understood na? Okay. Let's move on to the third question, which is 4 boys can sit on one bench. How many benches are required for 36 boys? Write down the answer. Number of boys can sit on one bench is 4. Number of students is 36. Means number of boys are 36. So required benches equal to 36 divided by 4. So 4 9s 36. So 9 benches required for 36 boys. Okay, let's see the fourth question, which is the cost of 8 chocolates is rupees 64. Find the cost of 1 chocolate. Write down the answer. So cost of 8 chocolates is rupees 64. Okay, number of chocolates equal to 8. So cost of 1 chocolate is 64 divided by 8. So answer is 8. Answer is 8. So cost of 1 chocolate is rupees 8. Okay, next question is 7 boys are to be shared 56 toffees. Find the share of each. Let's see the answer. Total number of toffees equal to 56. Okay, so total number of boys are 7. Okay, now number of toffees each one get equal to 56 divided by 7 equal to 7 8 56. 8 is the answer. So each boy will get 8 toffees. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 18. Here the subtopic is division word problems. Okay, let's see. First question is, how many tricycles can be made using 99 wheels? Okay, let's see the answer. Total number of wheels. How many wheels are there? 99. Total number of wheels to each cycle. So here tricycle is given. Tricycle means 3. Okay, so write it down. Number of tricycles can be made using 99 wheels equal to 99 divided by 3. So you will get the answer as 33. Let's see the second question. If we cut 45-meter ribbon into 9 pieces, what is the length of each piece? Write down the answer. Total length of ribbon is 45 meters. Okay. Number of pieces. How many pieces we have to cut? Is 9. So length of each piece is 45 divided by 9. So 9 5 is 45. So each piece will be of 5 meters. So from the length of 45-meter ribbon, we can make each piece of 5 meters for 9 pieces. Got it? Let's move on to the next third question is, how many 8s are there in 96? Okay, let's do the answer. Total value given is 96. We have to find out how many 8s will come. So number of 8s in 96 equal to 96 divided by 8. So 8 ones 8, 1 will left and 6 will come downside. So 9 to 8 to 16. So 12 is the answer. Therefore there are 12 8s in 96. Got it? Let's see the fourth question, which is, out of 35 chocolates, if we give each child 3 chocolates, how many children will equally get? How many are left over? So answer is, total number of given chocolates are 35. Okay, so number of chocolates each child will get is 3. Okay, number of children will get equally is 35 divided by 3. Okay, so 3 ones 3, 5 will come downsides, then 3 ones 3, 2 will left as remainder. So each child will get 11 chocolates and 2 chocolates will left. So number of left chocolates are 2. Understood, guys? Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 19. Here the subtopic is division word problems. Okay, let's see. First question is, the cost of 8 toys is rupees 960. Find the cost of 1 toy. Okay, let's see the answer, guys. Cost of 8 toys is 960. Next, number of toys given in the problem is 8. So cost of 1 toy is 960 divided by 8, which is 8 ones 8, 1 will left, 6 will come downside, it will become 16. 8 to 16, 0, 800. So cost of 1 toy is 120 rupees. Okay. Let's see the second question, which is the price of one pen is rupees 8. How many pens can be purchased for 728 rupees? Okay, let's see the answer. Cost of one pen given is rupees 8. So total amount also given, which is 728. So number of pens can buy with 728 rupees is 728 divided by 8. So we'll get the answer as 91. So 91s can be purchased with the given amount. Understood? Let's move to the third question, which is the product of two numbers is 168. If one of them is 4, find the other number. Let's see the answer, guys. One number is given as 4. Second number did not give. That's why we put it as x. Okay, so product of number also given as 168, which is equal to x into 4 equal to 168. We have to find out x, means the other number. X equal to 168 divided by 4. So 4 4 16, 4 2 8. 42 is the other number. Write down second number is 42. Let's see the fourth question, which is 225 school children are to be divided into 5 equal groups. How many children are there in each group? Let's see the answer. So total number of children given is 225. So total number of groups is given as 5. So let's see, means we have to find out each group how many children will come. So number of children in each group is 225 divided by 5. 5 4 is 20, 2 will left, 5 will come downside, it will become 25, 5 5 is 25. So therefore 45 students will come in each group. Understood? Let's move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 20. Here the subtopic is division word problems only. Okay, so let's see, first question is how many weeks are there in 365 days? How many days are left over? So write down the answer. Total number of days given is 365. In a week, means in week how many days will come? 7. So number of days left is 365 divided by 7. If you divide 365 with 7, you will get the remainder as 1. So therefore the left days will be only 1. Let's see the second question, which is how many bouquet can be made from 340 flowers with 8 flowers in each bouquet? How many flowers will be left over? So answer is total number of flowers will be given is 340. Okay, total number of flowers in each bouquet is 8. Okay, so we have to find out the leftover flowers. Okay, so 340 divided by 8. If you do 340 divided by 8, you will get the remainder as 4, which is the leftover. So leftover flowers will be 4. Understood? Let's see the third question, which is if we plant 7 saplings in each row, how many rows can we plant with 170 saplings? Let's see the answer. Total number of saplings is 170. Okay. Number of saplings in each row is 7. Now we have to find total number of rows. 170 divided by 7. So 7 2 is 14, 15, 16 and 3 will left and 0 will come downside, means 30. 7 4 is 28. So 24 rows will be there, means total number of rows will be 24. Here if they asked how many leftover saplings, then you have to write it down 2. But here they didn't ask. They have asked how many rows. Only rows they have asked. So that's why I write down 24 rows. Okay, next fourth question. Ramu has 250 rupees. On the occasion of his birthday, he wants to distribute pens to his friends, rupees 9 each. How many pens can he buy? How much money is left with him? Okay, write down the answer. Total amount is 250 rupees. Cost of each pen is 9 rupees. Number of pens he can buy is 250 divided by 9. So 9 2 is 18. 7 will left, 0 will come downside, means 70. 9 7 63. So 7 will left as remainder, means he left with the money rupees 7. So 7 rupees he left. Okay guys, understood? This is the answer for this. Understood, guys? Now we'll move to the last worksheet, that is worksheet number 21. Here the topic is self-assessment. Okay, let's do this. So first one is sharing of things equally can be done by dash: A addition, B subtraction, C multiplication and D division. Of course, D is the answer, division. Okay, next second question is 18 divided by 9 equal to 2. Here the remainder is 0 or 2 or 9 or 18. So answer is A, 0. Why? Because 9 to 18 will left with remainder 0 itself. That's why A, 0 is the correct answer. Let's see the third one, which is divisor of 24 without remainder. So here from all the 4 options, option A is correct. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. So option A is the correct one. Understood? Let's move on to the next one, which is question number 4. Which of the following is not related to division? A. Distributing equally, B. Grouping equally, C. Repeated subtraction, D. Repeated addition. So from all these 4, option D is not related to division, which is repeated addition. So this is the wrong one. That's why write down D as the correct answer. Okay, let's see the fifth one, which is fill in the blanks. First one is dash is a common divisor to the numbers. So for every number, 1 is the common divisor. Write down 1. Second one is the number divided exactly by 2 is an dash number. Exactly divided by 2 is an even number. Write down even. Third one, 28 divided by 28 equal to, so 28 divided by 28 is equal to 1. Write down 1 as the answer. Okay, next fourth one is 0 divided by 3 equal to, 0 is divided, if 0 is divided with any number, it will become 0 itself. If any number is divided by 0, it will be undefined. Okay, please keep that in mind. So here 0 is divided by number given, that's why 0 is the answer. Write down 0. Next, fifth one, symbol of division is, we all know the symbol of division. Write down the symbol of division. Okay, let's move on to the next Roman, that is Roman number 6. Here given, circle the numbers that are not even. Here some numbers are given, we have to circle which are not even. So 51 is not even, 95 is not even. That's why please circle both the numbers. Next, in B, we have given one division form. We have to check whether it is correct or not. If it is not correct, we have to write it down again. So 7 divided by 17, the quotient is 11 given. Actually it is not. Please strike it off and write it down the correct one. So 17 divided by 7 is 7 to 14. So 3 will left. So this is the correct one. Next, seventh question is write 12 multiplied by 3 equal to 36 in 2 division forms. Actually we have did this type of problems in our worksheets. Okay, let's write it down here also. So 12 3 is 36 is given. So it can written in my division form. One is 36 divided by 3 equal to 12. Second division form is 36 divided by 12 equal to 3. Got it? Next, second question. 54 divided by 6. Do it in an expansion form or expansion method of division. This is also we have done in our worksheet problems. Let's do this here also. So 54 divided by 6 can be written as 48 divided by 6 and 6 divided by 6. Okay. So 48 divided by 6 means 6 8s 48. Write down 1. So 6 divided by 6 means 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So if you do the division for 54 divided by 6, you will get the answer as 9 itself. Okay. So 6 9s 54. So this is the correct one. Okay. Understood, guys? Okay, then let's move on to the 8th question, which is a vendor packed 240 chickies in 8 boxes. How many chickies are there in each box? Okay, so let's see the answer. Total number of chickies given is 240. Number of boxes given is 8. So number of chickies in each box equal to 240 divided by 8. So 8 3 is 24, 800. So therefore 30 chickies will be in each box. Understood, guys? Okay, let's move on to the last last sum of this worksheet. Okay, so color the answer boxes for the following questions. So you have to color it differently, guys. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. Here I am not coloring it. Okay, let's see. So 72 divided by 3. 3 to 6, 1 will left, 2 will come downside, means 12. 3 to 3 fours 12. So 24 is the answer. You have to color 24 block. Okay, next second one is 40 divided by 8. So 8 5 is 40. So 5 is the answer. Next 70 divided by 7. So 7 10 70. So next fourth one, 100 divided by 2. 2 5 is 10, 2 0 0 means 50 is the answer. Next fifth one is 150 divided by 5. So 5 3 is 15, 5 0 0, 30 is the answer. Next 90 divided by 6. So 6 1 6. 7 8 9, 3 will left, 0 will come downside, means 30, 6 5 is 30, 15 is the answer. Next 72 divided by 9. So 9 8 72, 88 is the answer. 8 is the answer. Understood, guys? Okay, so up to here your worksheet means chapter 6 let's share workbook answers are finished. I hope you all enjoyed and understood this class well. So guys, if you understood and like this class, please hit the like button, okay, and share this video to your class friends and those who you know, okay, ask them to subscribe also, okay. And let me tell you one more thing, I have already uploaded your English workbook answers of all lessons. EVS workbook answers also I have uploaded. Please go and check it out on my channel. There is a playlist. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video to your friends, okay, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Please join me on WhatsApp and Telegram also. If you have any doubt, guys, please comment me below in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much once again. Bye bye, take care. Alhamdulillah.